Hello everyone, this is That's Just Penny, Penny's Crafty Corner with the Junk General Ministry, and today I will be doing the third video for the 5 supplies challenge, so I'm super excited. I'm still working with the kit, Ribbon Garden, and I have some of these collage pieces. I have some roses, and I have some public domain ephemera and things that was included in the kit. So let's get started. We are going to work with an index card today because a lot of people have index cards, so I thought, well, that would be an easy something that, you know, you could grab it too. We're going to decorate, we're going to embellish this index card. So I have pieces over here. I have my scrap my scrap bucket over here. Yep, and it's got beautiful papers in it. And the pen that I'm using, if you want to do calligraphy real easy, Dollar General has these Art Skills calligraphy marker, and I love these things. They come 2 in a pack for like $2, and they're wonderful. I love them. Okay, guys, see you later in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.